Let's discuss replacing the front or the primary blower motor resistor on this Honda Odyssey. Now you'll notice that there's 3 Phillips head screws in there. The old unit has those as well. Those do not need to be removed during this process. Instead, there's going to be 3 bolts, which you can either get with a Phillips head screwdriver, or also, in this case, I'm going to use 8mm swivel and a 1/4 inch ratchet. One of the first things we need to do is access the electrical connector and disconnect it. Part of the piece has already been broken off in the front here, and we just broke it off the back. That's fine, that's part of the old unit. So now we've disconnected the electrical componentry. We're going to drop this harness out of the way and gain access to our screws. Now we can remove the 3 of them and drop the unit down for access and replacement. Now that we've got the screws removed, we can lower the old unit here. Now, some symptoms of a faulty blower motor resistor are either not all the fan speeds will work, or on some Hondas such as this one, it will also inhibit the AC compressor from working. I know that seems out of the ordinary, but that's what happens with this particular vehicle. So it's good to inspect to see why the old one may have failed. Maybe it's been some water intrusion. Maybe there's some debris on there which burned it out. Or you could have a faulty blower motor itself. It's good to replace these components in pairs. Now we've got our new resistor and everything's been cleaned up, ready to install. We reverse the removal procedure, plug it in, and verify that everything works.